goodness! Oh my goodness! Look at the little babies! Oh my goodness! Look at them! Look at the babies! And the mama, the overprotective mama. Well, not overly protective, just the always scared mama. Stella, come here. Come here, Stella. Come here, Stella. Come here, Stella. Oh, look at the little babies. I'm gonna get down on my knees. Oh, look who's coming over. Stitch. Stitch, come here. Look at Jenny. Jenny. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Really? Jenny. Stitch. What? Really? You're not gonna let me get that on camera? Wow, Stella. Stella. Stitch. Come here. Durbin. Oh, look at the little puppy. What are you doing? Come here. Rawr. What you doing, old man? What you doing, old man? What you doing, old man? What you doing? Just hanging around? Okay. How did you? What should we do? He will? I sure hope so. Where's the pregnant lady? There's the pregnant lady. Durbin's was over here. Speaking of Blue, where's Blue? Blue. I'll come back to the pregnant lady later. First, I want you to introduce y'all to the puppies. Because I don't know if y'all saw them last time. Where are the puppies? Where are they? Mom. Mom. Where'd the puppies go?
Durbin's right here.
Where? Durbin. Blue. Come on, Blue. Durbin. Blue. Blue. Where? Oh. There's Blue. Those two are brothers. Come on, Blue. 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 Blue, sit. Blue. Blue, come here. Come here, Blue. Sit. 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 Good boy, Blue. What? 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 What is it? There you are, pregnant. There you are, pregnant lady. She's eating. I'll leave her alone. Emo hair. That's my emo hair going on right now.
You boys get over here.
Come on! Come on! Come on, Durbin. Come on, Blue. What you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You eating? Okay, I'll leave you. You're also eating. Look at you with your emo hair. Hey. Blue, sit. Sit. Blue, sit. Blue. There. What you doing, old man? Blue. Blue, sit. We go back up to the house, Mom? Oh, yeah. Blue. Blue. Durbin. Stop. Nick, what you doing? Nick, you look like a scarecrow. Nick, come here. Come here, Nick. Come here. Nick, come here. Come here. Durbin. Is your name New? No, it's not. Your name isn't New either. Durbin. I mean, Nick, come here. Nick, you are terrifying. You look like a scarecrow. Come here. He wants his ball. Nick, you want your ball? You want your ball? You want your ball? Do you? Yeah, you do. Well, okay. I'm gonna go feed the barn cats. One of them is Stray. That Stray is a great cat, and the other one was actually left here by the original owners when we bought the place. His name's Paws, and we kind of like adopted him basically. I always hate coming in here. One time I found a mouse in here. I hate this. I hate coming in here. But I have to go feed the cats, so I have to come in here. Paws, gray cat. Where are you? You in the little cat cage? Or whatever it said, whatever it is. Where's your food bowl? Where's your food bowl? Mom! Hey, Peter. Mom! 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 Where's your food bowl?
On top of the thing, the black thing.
Okay. Thank you. Well, yeah. There, just walked in a spider. Hey, Paws. Hey, Paws. 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 You gonna let me get close to you? Where's the gray cat? Say hi to the camera, Paws. Well, yeah, I just showed y'all some more of my farm animals. I actually did this because one of the girls, well, my history teacher and one of the girls from my school, suggested I do this again. They also just wanted to see my baby goats. Well, yeah, thank y'all for watching, and I hope to see y'all again. Well, why did I say that? I hope this video does good. Bye. Yeah, never mind, that wasn't the end. I'm gonna actually take a video of me feeding them. I'm gonna feed them. Well, yeah, I'm gonna feed them. so cute. Okay, Mom. Oh, hey, Mom. Put your face down for a second. Like all the way down. Look at this. My mom's letting out the pregnant woman.
He's not pregnant.
What? What?
Sadie's pregnant.
I've been calling. That was a little mistake for me. That horse isn't pregnant. That's the pregnant horse. I've gotten them mixed up this entire video. Well, see you all next time. Bye.